Hello, we are Helia Biomonitoring, a company that spun out of Eindhoven University of Technology. We are passionate about transforming the food industry. We offer solutions to food manufacturers to help reduce manufacturing costs and product waste through smart process control. Helia Biomonitoring develops user-friendly sensor systems for use at or near the food production line. The sensors operate continuously and deliver measurement results within minutes, which is impossible with standard laboratory analysis. Based on the real-time biomolecular measurements, food companies are able to optimize their manufacturing processes in real time, which gives significant advantages in extraction and purification processes. As part of the High-5 project, our aim was to gain insights into the suitability of the Helia sensor system for rapid measurements. For this, we partnered with a large industrial food company to develop and test the sensor system. The Helia sensor system was found to be user-friendly and produced reliable measurement results. We tested a variety of process samples, which helped us to identify areas for improvement, such as automation of sample pretreatment. We also performed a market study, which revealed promising new directions for the sensor technology.